It's easy to issue refunds for Shopify orders. The first step is to create a Return Merchandise Authorization, or RMA. You can do that right here in your Sellercloud account. And the order will be refunded automatically in your Shopify store. Open the Action menu and click Create RMA. An RMA lets you track a return until it's received back into your warehouse. Simply select the return reason and an optional detailed description. And then open the RMA you created. Notice it's linked to your Shopify order. Click Edit so you can finish your RMA. Go ahead and update the approval status per item. The next step is to set the return resolution to refund. Along with the refund amount and your comments. Now you can issue the refund. Simply enter your notes so you can process the refund. This automatically updates the Shopify order with the updated refund status. It's that simple and seamless. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to receive the latest updates and information. Contact us today to speak to a representative.